Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Wednesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's January 5th, so I'd like to wish everyone a happy Three Kings Day, Orthodox Christmas, Russian Christmas, whatever you're calling it. We wish you all a very happy holidays starting tomorrow and over the weekend, I guess. Having said that, Winston, are you having a happy Three Kings Day coming up?
Yeah, going on a long walk.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, well, I don't know if I'll go on any walks, but definitely be a lot of fun. So we hope everyone that is celebrating it will enjoy themselves, and everyone that's working, well, feel free to drop me an email because I'm also working a little bit. Anyway, we're working on a little update on the CEE Retail Awards. Just talking to our admin people. Anyway, almost sold out. We've got five corporate tables left. So if you're looking to do any sort of sponsorships with tickets or 2 tickets or a table, let me know right away. We can work out the details later, but better to get it reserved and booked now because with the limited space we have in the InterContinental ballroom, now's the time to at least book it and reserve it. We've sent out the jury, the nominations to the jury yesterday or the day before, is that right?
They've got them yesterday.
They've got them and started voting, and they'll send them back, I guess, over the weekend and Monday. And Tuesday, well, I guess we'll have the short list out, yeah?
Yeah, Monday or Tuesday.
Monday or Tuesday, short list. So definitely let us know before then what you want to book, what you need. We want to get your places in place. New sponsor today, Emo Finance has joined us, and Stop Shop. So great to have them also on board as one of our supporters, one of our award sponsors. Anyway, we're going to go right into the news. For those of you also looking at MIPIM, which is coming up quick, we've got our CEE Real Estate Magazine, our stand at MIPIM. We're once again the international media partner for the MIPIM Fair in March. So let us know if you've got anything to promote to the MIPIM attendees. There's supposedly over 20,000 coming, so it should be a lot of fun, and we definitely like to get your information in for that. Anything you want to do on Coffee with Craig, of course, we've got 8,000 viewers a week. Over 14,000 now for the interviews. And what else do we have? SCE Awards. SCE Awards in Romania, March 31st. A couple more jury members. We just officially, of course, we always do the event at the Radisson Blue, but of course we're doing it there this year as well. So we hope to see you there for SCE Awards March 31st in Bucharest. Having said that, we'll take a little break, a little advertisement about our retail awards, and we'll come right back with Winston and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards with over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail. All ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal making, retailer presentations, and CEE Retail Forum. In the evening is the awards gala, which starts at 7 in the evening and finishes late into the night. So welcome back, Winston. Welcome to the show, and let's hear some great pearls of wisdom and the news we have for EuropaProperty.com.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, we'll start today in Poland, and Skanska has announced that it sold 2 office projects in Krakow and Wrocław for 128 million euros. This is to the privately owned Swedish Group, Stena Real Estate. This is the second building that Stena have acquired from Skanska in recent years. They acquired the Spark office building in Warsaw about maybe 2 years ago. So anyway, they're both buildings in Wrocław and Krakow. They've got an area of around 39,400 square meters. And according to Sofia Granlund, she's the MD at Stena Real Estate, she says, "We are following our plan to grow our property portfolio in Poland with sustainable, modern, high-quality products. And with this transaction, we are now established in the 3 major cities, Warsaw, Krakow, and Wrocław." And as you well know, Skanska are very well known for their high-quality ESG rated principles buildings. So yeah, I would imagine that the 2 products that have been acquired
And last week they sold Building Y, didn't they?
Generation Y they sold.
Generation
So it's
Y,
busy end of year, beginning of 2022 for Skanska. Moving on and staying in the investment business, and Gazit has completed the takeover of Atrium. The shareholders of Atrium European Real Estate have agreed for the company to merge with Gazit Globe, a subsidiary of Gazit Hercules 2020. And the agreement stipulates that all issued or to be issued ordinary share capital, which is no longer owned by Gazit or its subsidiaries, is to change hands for euro 3.63 per share. And as you know, Atrium is owner, developer, and manager of shopping centres across the CEE region. They have around 26 properties and with 809,000 square metres of GLA. And they've got a pretty big one in Warsaw.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And the estimated value of this portfolio is 2.5 billion euros. And also now Atrium have announced that they're kind of mixing their portfolio a bit, and they're going to start managing residential properties, especially in Warsaw.
Strange how that's been the trend for retail developers.
Yeah, they've got a lot of old retail, which I think they're going to be rejigging,
putting a little bit of residential on it, and
that's right, yeah. And staying in the residential market and more acquisitions or retail market, sorry. And Poseidon Group has sold 50 million retail portfolio in Croatia. These are assets all across the Croatian country to local and private investors. And according to a spokesperson from Poseidon Group, the development and sale of retail parks and shopping centres with the Capital Park brand is a classic example of Poseidon's value-add and investment approach, converting old facilities and sites into modern retail parks and shopping malls of the highest international standard and delivering significant value to the cities they operate in, its inhabitants and all stakeholders involved.
Yeah, Poseidon's always been pretty active down there.
They are, yeah, and they've gone full cycle with this recent announcement. And moving back to Poland, and Echo Investment have issued up to 50 million zloty bonds for individual investors. So this is a new bond series that they're launching. And the funds obtained in this bond issue are planned to be used by Echo in its business development. 2021 was a busy year for Echo. They acquired a controlling stake of shares in the Wrocław-based residential developer Archicom.
I remember that.
And after the transaction, the whole group had around 140 projects under construction and around 1.5 billion square meters of usable space in total. And according to Nicholas Lindberg, he's the CEO of Echo Investment, he says Echo Investment strategy assumes development in the sector of apartments for sale and rent while maintaining a large scale of activity in commercial real estate in recent years through organic growth and the acquisition of Archicom. Echo Investment Group has become one of the 5 largest developers selling apartments in Poland. And at the end of Q3 2021, Echo Investment's assets amounted to around 6.8 billion zlotys and was 25% higher than at the end of last year. This is because one of the reasons is the value of residential assets has nearly doubled in that time, which is mainly a result of the acquisition of the Archicom Group. And after the 3 quarters of 2021, the group recorded 170 million zlotys of net profit.
Wow, pretty good.
So pretty good, yeah.
Seems so like again, Nicholas and the team are pretty busy over there.
Yeah, and again, all pointing to the growth in the residential sector.
Well, good to be in that. Yeah. And they've done such a great job with Bruvara and that area.
Yeah.
So, I mean, only one project, but, very nice. All right. Well, that's great. Thank you for that, Winston. Great information. Of course, check EuropaProperty.com for, all the rest of the news that we've got up there for the day. And, enjoy if you're celebrating the holidays, enjoy the holidays coming up. Like I said, Three Kings Day for some and sort of Russian Christmas or Orthodox Christmas for others. So enjoy your long weekend. Stay safe, and we will see you on Monday. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.